Yeah, hello, Martin from Baker's Timber Buildings. I'm over in Rottingdean near Brighton on a wintry, I've got to say wintry February 19 morning. But I wanted to show you this building. I was passing, popped back in to see the customer and wanted to show you this. This is a kind of almost halfway house on our specification. We always talk about the 10-year pack. This is just a bit back from that to work with a budget. So you've actually got timber shiplap on this one and timber windows, but we've actually got UPVC doors and we've done a nice timber fascia there in the flat. So just a little bit of a just to work with a budget, not quite the full 10-year, but still looks absolutely lovely. We're about 6 months ago we've done this. I'm just going to step down here. This is the side facing the going into the garden. We've got this lovely courtyard area that it's produced in the anthracite 7016. Yeah, really nice done. It's done as a games room stroke bar. The whole idea was and is, if I come back over here, sorry, just panning round, that you've got this kind of courtyard area marrying in with the anthracite doors on the house. So in the summer all these bifold doors are open, with these doors being open. It's just a great asset to the property. Let me take you inside on this windy day and show you around. So the building is 5 meters wide and it is 3 meters deep, and just done a lot with it. So this was the older style heater. We've now got a new type in, but that's the convector heater sitting there. Lovely bar. The family name is Hill. They've even had everything done. So Mr. and Mrs. Hill's Tavern. I love it. All the stuff that they're enjoying there with the kids doing bits with the bar and just enjoying that. Inside there, you can see down there all of the nice drinks and the shelf up there. And then that's the main things that focuses the bar. TV, we bought Sky down there, and they have had some working through Sky to make that nice and robust. That's now all resolved. And a right classic Pac-Man machine there, which is fantastic. So yeah, there you go. So it's just a relatively small building, 5 by 3, but it's doing so much, and they're using it almost on a daily basis. Come down and out here for the enjoyment of the bar, and just a whole different aspect on their property. There you go. So that's our 5 by 3 meter sliding garden room in the anthracite. So I'll just try and pan back again for you with the timber cladding on this particular one. There you go. So if this kind of garden building or garden rooms are of interest to you, feel free to give me a call on 01444 247 192. Thank you.